Brian Lara is considered one of the greatest cricketers of all time. He is a former West Indies captain and left-handed batsman who held multiple world records throughout his career. Here are some amazing and lesser-known facts about his life, struggle, records, achievements, and legacy. 1. Early life and struggle. Brian Lara was born on May 2, 1969, in Trinidad and Tobago. His father died when he was just 6 years old, leaving his mother to raise him and his 10 siblings on her own. He grew up in the Santa Cruz area of Trinidad, where he learned to play cricket on the streets with a makeshift bat and ball. 2. Record-breaking debut. Lara made his international debut for the West Indies at the age of 19 in 1990. In his first test match against Pakistan, he scored 44 and 12 runs, respectively. He went on to break several records in his debut year, including the highest individual score in a test innings, 375 runs, and the highest first-class score, 501 not out. 3. Multiple world records. During his career, Lara held several world records, including the highest individual score in Test cricket, 400 not out, the most runs in a single over in Test cricket, 28 runs, and the most runs in a single first-class innings, 501 not out. 4. Captaincy and achievements. Lara was the captain of the West Indies cricket team on 2 separate occasions, from 1998 to 1999 and from 2003 to 2006. Under his leadership, the West Indies won the ICC Champions Trophy in 2004, and he was named the Wisden Cricketer of the Year in 1995 and 1996. 5. Personal struggle and overcoming adversity. Despite his success on the cricket field, Lara faced personal struggles off the field, including financial difficulties and a battle with depression. He has spoken openly about these challenges and how he was able to overcome them. 6. Philanthropy and legacy. In addition to his cricketing achievements, Lara is also known for his philanthropy work. He has established several charitable foundations to support education, health, and sports initiatives in the Caribbean. He also serves as a mentor to young cricketers and continues to inspire and motivate future generations of athletes. In conclusion, Brian Lara's life and career have been marked by incredible achievements and personal struggles. He will always be remembered as one of the greatest cricketers of all time and a true inspiration to millions of fans around the world.